Jai Srimannarayana. 26th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yavat sanjayate kinchit sattvam sthavara jangamam kshetra ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಜ್ಞ ಸಂಯೋಗಾತ್ ತದ್ವಿಧಿ ಭರತರ್ಷಭ. ಓಂ. Realize that all the beings in this entire universe is the combination of body and soul. So that is why try to perceive soul's presence in each and every body. Then you will be able to understand the real nature of Atma, and thus you will get Atma Sakshatkaram. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Krishna, oh Srimannarayana, I realize that all the beings in this entire universe is the combination of body and the soul. I shall start perceiving Atma's, soul's presence in each and every entity in this entire universe. Please help me get Atma Sakshatkaram. Oh Krishna, oh Srimannarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಲಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋಭಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ ವ್ಯಾಸ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂದಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂದಂ 253rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma along with his friends ate their food and started heading back to their Nandavraj. On their way, Krishna Paramatma has shown to his friends the dead body, dried dead body of Python. which was killed by Krishna Paramatma 1 year back. And then they are all now coming back to Nandavraj. How is that Krishna Paramatma looking now? Barha prasuna vanadhatu vichitritangaha prasanna pincha malika prabha vichitritangudu. Krishna Paramatma decorated his beautiful body with a feather of peacock, some of the flowers, some of the herbs. With all that, he is looking so handsome and very beautiful. Prodhama Venudala Srungaravotsavadhyaha Prasiddha Srunga Venunada Pasabadha Lokudun. Krishna Paramatma, while he is looking so beautiful, handsome, he is also doing his Venunadam, he is playing his flute, and he is also making some sounds from other instruments. He is now addressing all the baby cows with different names and calling them Vatsan, Grunan, Anugagita Pavitra Kirtihi, Gopi Druk Utsavadrusihi Pravivesa Goshtam. Krishna Paramatma looking beautiful, handsome, doing Venunadam, playing flute, and calling baby cows with beautiful, cute names. When Krishna Paramatma is doing all this, all his friends were looking at him. They were kind of got so immersed into Krishna Paramatma's divine beauty and glow. Then all the boys were praising Krishna, singing so many songs about Krishna Paramatma's miraculous, valorous activities. Those songs of those boys spreaded all over the world and making this entire universe purified with Krishna Paramatma's kirtanas. Like that, Krishna Paramatma slowly entering into Nandavraj. When Krishna Paramatma is entering, all the gopikas in Nandavraj, suddenly they got to see Krishna Paramatma, who is looking beautiful, handsome, with so much of decoration. They were completely got paused. They could not take off their eyes from Krishna Paramatma. Krishna Paramatma's Saundaryam, the beauty, giving extreme amount of joy to the eyes of gopikas. And they all got so much completely drawn into Krishna. Krishna's Venuganam is making the entire universe totally go beyond their conscious. They are all in trance, happiness. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 26th sloka. यावत् सञ्जायते किञ्चित् सत्त्वं स्थावरजङ्गमम् क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञसंयोगात् तद्विद्धि भरतर्षभ। यावत् सञ्जायते किञ्चित् सत्त्वं स्थावरजङ्गमम् क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञसंयोगात् तद्विद्धि भरतर्षभ। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।